Dealing with IRS refund delays over 21 days in H&R Block. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. If your tax refund is delayed for more than 21 days, there could be various reasons for the delay. I will explain some steps you can take. First of all, check the refund status. Use the Where is my refund tool on the IRS website or the IRS 2Go mobile app to check the status of your refund. This tool provides the real-time information about the processing of your refund and return. Next, verify the information. Ensure that you provided accurate and complete information on your tax return, including your social security number, bank account details for direct deposit, and other relevant information. Next, review IRS notices. If there are any issues with your return, the IRS will typically send you a notice explaining the situation. Review any notices you receive and follow the instructions provided. The next step you can do is you can contact the IRS. If you are unable to get information online or through the automated phone system, you may need to contact the IRS directly. Be prepared to provide your social security number, filing status, and the exact amount of your expected refund. Consider IRS Refund Hotline. The IRS has a dedicated refund hotline at 1-800-829-1954. You can call this number for automated assistance with the refund status. Next, check for errors or missing information. Review your tax return for any errors or missing information that might be causing a delay. Correct any issues and resubmit if necessary. Now consider the amended return. If you discover an error after your return has been filed, you may need to file an amended return. This process may take additional time. And also be aware of the special situations, like in certain situations such as claims for the earned income tax credit or additional child tax credit may result in longer processing times. Understand that the IRS may be dealing with a high volume of returns and processing times can vary. Delays can occur for various reasons, and it's often a matter of waiting for the IRS to complete their review. Also utilize tax software or assistance. If you use the tax software like H&R Block, you can also check your refund status through their platform. Additionally, if you have any questions or concerns, consider reaching out to the H&R Block customer support for assistance. And always refer to the most current IRS guidelines and updates for the specific tax year, as procedures may change. If you're experiencing significant delays, consider seeking advice from a tax professional or contacting the IRS directly for the assistance. This is how you can deal with IRS refund delays over 21 days in H&R Block. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.